Hi guys, welcome to Question Bank. Today I am going to show you 9th class English subject, English medium, C reading Kathmandu Unit 8. This chapter question answers. Today I am going to show you question answers and summary and project work, that all answers today I am going to show you. Please watch till end video. And I am upload already other subject question answers like Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social, Physical Science, like Biology. I am upload already other subjects also in my channel. Please check out my channel, and you can see here have here side screen record. You can see here how to see all subject playlist like that. We have here screen record. Please check out how to see that all subject playlist. You can see we have in playlist we have all subject chapters question answers videos. Please check out from here. Okay guys, link in the like this way. Please check out in my channel and subscribe to my channel for more videos. In future I am going to show you 10th class question answers videos also, all subjects. Please subscribe to my channel for that and turn on bell icon. You can see here we have here down red color subscribe button and bell icon. We have turn on bell icon all. Okay, today I'm going to show you Kathmandu chapter. Okay, first we'll see how many questions are there in this chapter. You can see here answer the following questions. We have total 4 questions, and here project work. In this we have first bit and second bit, and you can see here we have here self assessment. In this we have 1 bit. Today I am going to show you this all bit answers. You can see here we have here question bank. First we will zoom in English question bank. We have, you can see here first we will see summary. First we'll zoom in and we go down textbook. You can see here we have here summary. Up to here we have summary and link in the description for question answers photos. That all bit this chapter all bit question answers photos. We have first link, and you can see here we have here in I button also for question answers photos link. In this video I am showing. If you are not going to see, if you are not getting this video clearly, please check out that question answers photos we have clear. You can see here in I button also. You can see here we have question answers photos link. Okay, so now we'll go to question answers photos. Up to here we have summary. First we will see question answers photos. Why I am showing in textbook means question answers in textbook. In my guide same there are not question answers photos. That's why I am showing. First I am showing in textbook question. You can see here answer the following questions. First question you can see here in my textbook. Now we'll see the question answer in question bank. You can see here we have your first question and answer we have in 2 lines. Up to here we have. Okay, so now we'll go to second question. First we will see second question in textbook. You can see here in textbook. Now we'll see second question answer in question bank. You can see here up to here we have second question answer. Okay, so we'll go to third question. First we will see third question in textbook. I will see third question answer in question bank. You can see here third question and third question answer. Please guys subscribe to my channel and support me. Please support me. Subscribe to my channel and turn on bell icon. Okay, so now we'll go to fourth question. First we'll see fourth question in textbook. Same there or not in my textbook in my question bank. You can see here we have here question. You can see here fourth question. I will see fourth question answer in question bank. You can see here we have here fourth question answer and link in the description for this all question answers photos. Please check out from there. Okay, so we'll go to second bit project to work. We have, you can see here in textbook. You can see here we have here project work. You can see this project work answer. Now return page and see In project work we have 2 bits. You can see here in project work total we have 2 bits. You can see here in textbook. You can see here first bit we have here, and you can see here we have second bit. Now see first bit question. You can first you see first bit question in textbook. Now see this question answer in question bank. You can see here first bit. You can see here first bit question we have clear questions and we have table answer. I will rotate book and see. No, sorry. But you can see here like this we have here. I will turn page. Sorry, I will rotate and see like this we have your answers. Up to here we have first bit answer. Okay, so I will go to second bit. First we see second bit in textbook. You can see here. You can see here in my textbook first question. You can see here in my textbook and see that question answer and question bank. You can see up to here we have second bit answer. Okay, so I will go to self-assessment. You can see here self-assessment questions in textbook. Now I will see these questions answer in question bank. You can see here self-assessment answers. You can see here up to here we have table. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Please share my channel. Please share this video with your friends and comment down next which chapter do you want. I am upload already English subject all chapters question answers 9th class all chapters I am upload already 9th class. Please check out and please check out that playlist also. You will get any other subjects and in that we have chapters. Please check out from there. And thanks for watching my video. Take care and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to turn on bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.